Hello, happy Thursday night. We are here in the house of the grandma of Madam Nor. Oh, you see, this one is made by the uncle of Madam Nor. See, hanging plants. Small, very small yung leaves niya. Small. Ewan ko. Comments if you know what's the name of this plant. As of what I know, this one is the hanging plants. Hanging plants. And then they put little bit series. Pink one pa. It's like a flower. Oh, you see? Tingnan mo yung ano niya. Anong banga. Sipin mo, banga. Oh, ayan o. Banga. Banga. Hanging plants. Sa tingin ko nito, hanging plants. Small, very small. Oh. Oh. Ayan o. Alagang-alaga yan ni Sir. Uncle ni Madam. Like Jitu Kamal also. They love how to make plant. Even in the garden of the brother of Madam Sir Kamal, Jitu Kamal. His brother also in their garden. That I make a video also. Nako! Talaga as in. Very small. Ayan o. Hanging. So, and there is also, it's windy pa naman. It's still windy. And this one, kung sa atin to ay parang gumamela. Ay hindi gumamela kasi yung bunga nito, yung bulaklak nito kulay puti. Yung mabango. Yung very good smell na sampagita yata. Hi! Sampagita yata. Ayan, din naman. Hello. No, here inside. Sampagita. Hindi yan na kasi ang sampagita parang small. But ito very big. Parang siya, parang rose. Pero puti. Pag mamulaklak nito. Ibibidyo ko rin also to. Diba? Ayan no. Matagal na rin yata to. Inaano lang, lumang-luma na. Tingnan mo yung puno niya. It's old also, this one. Look. This one. Ano bang tawag nito? Kung sa atin pa, pamela o ano ba yun? Parang palm. Oh. Ito rin, tinatanong kasi pag mag-summer yata tong maraming bulaklak o maraming dahon na to at saka kulay green as in green talaga. O ayan o, namatamlay na siya o. Kasi nga mainit. O ito parang to, ayan na o, gumamila. Yan yata pala ang gumamila o. Tingnan mo, ito bombills, parang bombills yan. Hindi pa O ito, o ayan o, yung bulaklak o, dalawa. O maliit din siya, maliit lang yung nila o. Pero matagal na rin yan, mga matatagal na rin yan o. O diba? Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget. Like and share. Thank you. And more blessings at all. Na tong mga lumayon. Bagong gawa to noon. Hindi pa yan. First time na pagdating ko. Hindi pa yan. Pa yan dyan? Bakante. Ngayon, compound yata yan. Parang apartment din. Okay? Oh. Hindi pa namulaklak yung gumamela. O hindi pa nag-open o kaya close pa kasi nga gabi. Oh. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for the support, for everything. Thank you so much. God bless us all and happy weekends and bye.